everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So I am just done with my dinner, and I had recently posted the vlog about reality check too. So people started texting me that thank you so much for getting the story. It has happened somewhat similar to us, but we cannot post it is because they were very scared what people will think, and being a girl you get judged, and we were very happy at the same time. I'm glad 19 minutes का वीडियो बहुत सारे लोगों ने देखा है, and they have personal messaged me saying thank you, and also few people had this question कि tell something about your husband. Okay, so let me start this. He was a very, very, very amazing, fantabulous Janu person, but till he became a husband, until he became a father. Before, he's the best son a mother would want, because he's so like, if the mom wants him to get up, just one eyes is enough so that he gets up. That good of a son he is. But my life waiting for him for like 6.5 years is thinking that he will take a stand, he will take responsibility for me, my kids, but then he's not yet done that, and that sabr is broken into pieces. So this is why I feel कि यार किसी पे ट्रस्ट करो, बट अंधा ट्रस्ट मत करो यार, मत करो, बिकॉज एट द एंड इट विल हर्ट यू, बिकॉज without risk there's nothing. Want to risk of course, and I'm still telling, he was an amazing person, amazing friend, but then the moment he became a partner, maybe he's not got over his next, I don't know what is the scene. Yeah, he just doesn't want to take responsibility. So honestly speaking, I don't want to bitch about anyone. My father-in-law is the best father-in-law a person would want, very nice, but my mother-in-law, she's good, but then she's just good as a woman, not as a, she doesn't think as a mother. She just wants her son to be her son, not a good father, not a good husband, and that is what triggers. So I have not been in contact with my mother-in-law since a long time, is because of some fights which happened. So my mom had gifted me a scooter as a marriage gift, not to me, my husband, and it was a surprise. So my husband got it from my house till his house, and we met with an accident, like within 1 week or something, because my husband did not know to ride a scooter. So I got hurt on my hips and he got hurt on his elbow, and so we went to the doctor, got it got all the first aid done, and we came back home. As soon as we entered the house, my mother-in-law abused me very badly. Because of you this happened, because of your mother this happened, why did you all get the bike, like blame game started. I didn't understand कि मार मुझे भी लगा है, मार उसे भी लगा है, तो why this biased thing, कि उसका care और मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं. I didn't understand. Okay, later my husband wanted to get fresh, he wanted to take shower. Okay fine, shower ले लो. So my mother-in-law said मैं उसको शावर करवा देती हूँ, बिकॉज इसको हाथ में एल्बो पे लगा है. So he went for the shower. I should not be saying this, but then I was fine because उसकी mom है. I was newly wed that time. His mom removed his underpants and she took him for shower, and I started crying. I didn't shout, I didn't do much. I'm not the person who will get into dramas. My brother-in-law saw that. He was like, क्या हुआ? I started crying and I said I didn't feel good. I got hurt on my hips. I could have given my husband a shawl. If not, मामा ने किया, कोई बात नहीं, but then ऊपर से भी हो सकता है ना, इतने कौन से तुम गंदे हो गए हो यार, थोड़ा सा मार लगा है या फिर हाथ पे लगा है, आप एक हाथ ऊपर रख के दूसरे हाथ से शावर ले सकते हो. My husband did not say a word. My mother-in-law fought so badly that the whole area, they stay at Jew, the whole chawl came like, what's happening? They were curious. So I called the opposite people, the neighbors, to ask them, was this good done? Because she was like, my mother was like, you get out, get lost from this house. And she told my husband, just leave this girl, let's break off this relation. आई डेंट अंडरस्टैंड यार, 1 महीने की शादी में तुमने ऐसे क्या कर दिया कि शादी तोड़ दो. जस्ट बिकॉज आई वॉज अ पर्सन हु स्टूड फॉर माई डिसीजन. सो द ऑपोजिट नेबर्स टोल्ड कि नहीं यार, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. दे टोल्ड देयर मदर इट्स रॉन्ग. नो वन विल लाइक इट. ऑफ कोर्स यू बीइंग अ मदर, यू डिड नॉट लाइक योर son getting reverted. That's a big thing. I will also not like it. He's my husband. He has to be mine. So that day she promised me, okay, I'll make sure you all leave this house and go. And she started all her politics, and that's how we got separated from that house and we started living alone. And till now, I don't speak to her. Yes, of course, in between I was not well. I did come to their house to stay. She took good care. I will not lie. She took good care of me. She used to send the bus, but she used to not send my husband to the hospital. She said, why you have to go? What will you do with her? And I didn't really understand कि क्या चाहिए उनको. But then, let's see. Now I have reported all these cases. I've attached all my police complaints, all my medical reports of how brutally I was tortured in this relation. And I don't want to get the kids involved, of course, because if people ask them kya hua, they really, my daughter starts crying and I don't want that to happen. So I will be posting all these videos so that when my daughter grows up, she at least knows this was the story. I don't want to tell anything about her father. I usually tell her daddy's gone out for work right now, because I cannot tell her the truth that daddy's ran away. Daddy's gone forever. I cannot tell. And the little one has just started speaking. His voice is so amazing. Just started speaking patter, patter, patter. He'll say, Mama, Daddy, Jew. And I know this all has and had to be a part of me and Mac together. But then I'm doing the good, bad, suffering, happy ending. Everything is all alone. And I don't know कि मेरी लाइफ में हैप्पी एंडिंग होगी या नहीं होगी, या बच्चों के लिए मैं कुछ कर पाऊँगी नहीं. बट आई ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ. आई विल डू एवरी पॉसिबल थिंग टू keep my kids happy, and I will do all the possible things that in future my husband also thinks, यार ये लड़की ने जो बोला वो करके दिखाया. That's about it, guys. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And by the way, this place is somewhere in Cochin, and this is just as beautiful as a person's inner peace should be. Thank you.